Vivo has launched its new smartphone under Y series in India called Vivo Y31, and it looks quite similar to the earlier launched Vivo Y51 smartphone, but it has some difference in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y31 supports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y31 features a triple camera setup on the tray in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on FunTouch OS 11 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.86 by 75.32 by 8.38 millimeters and it weighs around 188 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y31 has been priced in India at 16,490 Indian rupees. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in ocean blue and racing black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y31 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSoulBug YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.